Namaskar. Sleep is one of the most important pillar of good health. However, sleep problems have become an emerging global epidemic. Lack of sleep can affect our heart, hormonal balance, mind, daily productivity, and can lead to many diseases. So today I am going to give you 7 days plan to completely change your sleep pattern. This powerful 7-day routine can bring back good night's sleep in your life. First, day 1 to day 3, making a foundation. Aim to go to sleep just 15 minutes earlier than your current bedtime. If you usually sleep at 11 pm, aim for 10:45 pm. On day 2, try to sleep at 10:30 and day 3 at 10:15 pm. You will do this till you find your comfortable sleep time. For first 3 days, expose yourself to the natural light as soon as you can. This will help in regulating your circadian cycle, which plays a major role in your sleep quality. Give melatonin support to your body. Melatonin helps in advancing your sleep cycle, promoting earlier sleep onset. Add melatonin boosting foods in your evening diet. Cherries, almonds, pistachios, and milk. All these foods are high in melatonin. In these 3 days, we have given your body and mind the message that change is coming. Slowly but surely. We have told your mind and body that a transformation is underway. Now let's go to the next stage in days 4 to 6. Mind-body management. We'll go deeper into transforming your evening and morning routines. This is where you will start seeing real change. But remember, you have to continue the activities of first 3 days in addition to new activities. Now I am recommending for day 4 to 6. Organize your space. Dim the light at least an hour before going to bed. Commit to a digital detox at least 90 minutes before bed. This means no TV, no screens, no phone. In this time, engage in reading a physical book or listening to soothing music. You can even light scented candles or use soft yellow light to tell your brain that day is over. This simple practice will do wonders for resetting your sleep cycle. This will activate the secretion of sleep hormones. Practice asanas in the morning. Start with gentle stretches, balasana or child's pose for 1 minute. Then move to a cat-cow pose for a minute to activate your spine. And then go to butterfly pose to gently stretch your hamstrings for a minute. You can end with kapotasana or pigeon pose each leg. Or you can do asana flow according to your time availability and comfort. Finish your dinner at least 2 hours before your sleep. Better would be 4 hours before your sleep. An empty stomach at sleep conserves a lot of energy for your body to repair and rejuvenate. Now we come to day 7. By now, you have your own personalized sleep blueprint. Day 7 is where it's all come together. Your personalized sleep schedule that you will carry forward. On day 7, you can start energizing your morning within the first 30 minutes of waking up and practicing asanas or going out for a walk. Then get early morning sunshine into your system before 8 am. Next, detox from screens at least 90 minutes before you go to bed. Dim the light at least an hour before sleep. Finish your dinner 2 and more hours before sleep. Aim to go to sleep just 15 minutes earlier than your current bedtime till you reach your comfortable time of sleep. It is a process and it doesn't happen overnight. But with these steps, you will start the process of becoming an early bird with dedication and commitment. You too can stop being a night owl and enjoy a healthy, good sleep. Namaskar.